Welcome to Escape from Port to Rich. Today is Sunday, March 29. I'm stopping with the IE voices because I want to show you the real journey. I'm currently on day 3 of my $50,000 FundedNext challenge. Balance is 50,192 and 77 cents. I'm trading days 3, and as you can see, the market are frozen. Market is frozen right now. My account balance is $50,192.77. I have 3 positions open with a total floating profit of $114. This brings my total equity to $50,300. This is my trading view positions when I open Australian dollar and USD dollar. First time I'm short on Australian dollar and USD. I expecting a drop to 0.64806. Target is risk reward is 2.11. My stop loss is set 0.70807. This is first position. Currency. This is my second USD. Swiss franc. I open long. My target is 0.82928. Risk reward is 7.72. Stop loss I set 0.79809. I expect he is go long. I open trade on daily chart. This market opens tonight at 11 p.m. I'm not teaching these trades. I have my plan and I have my stop losses, and now we wait. This is how you escape from port to reach. Hit subscribe to see if I pass this challenge. Let's get it.